don't let the dead be dead, leave the past behind. No, back to the future, I am not McFly, so I'ma be looking forward to the day I die. Now I'm riding with my past in the rear view. On my road to success, I got a clear view. I've been sinning a lot.